Hey there, friend. If you're a beginner to yoga and you want to get flexible fast, this channel will help you to do exactly that. For this video, we're going to focus on hamstring flexibility, and it's only going to take us about 15 minutes to get through this full beginner flexibility routine. For this practice, you will need a strap. If you don't have a yoga strap, you can use a belt, a scarf, even a towel rolled up will work. So press pause if you need to. Go ahead and get something that resembles a strap, and then we'll meet back here on the mat, lying down on our backs. So if you already have your strap, go ahead and come down onto your back. We're going to be here for the entire practice, so it's a nice way to relax, to get settled into your body. You can always use a cushion or pillow underneath your shoulders and head here to make it even more relaxing. So taking our strap, we're going to wrap it around our right foot. Then extend that sole of your right foot up towards the ceiling, keeping your legs straight-ish without locking your knee here. Hold the strap in your right hand and just let your left hand relax. We want to have our leg and our arm as straight as possible here. So find a grip that allows you to do that. And now we're just going to relax into this pose. So take a moment to relax your shoulders back down into your mat. Loosen up your jaw. Relax your facial muscles. And we'll start to find a few deep breaths here. So breathing into your belly, letting it rise up into your chest and your throat. And then exhaling, emptying belly, emptying chest, emptying throat. And we'll try our best just to keep following those breaths in and out. Just helping to relax your mind, to open up your body a little bit more. And that's what's going to give you that flexibility gains. And of course here, starting to feel that stretch within your hamstring. Breathe into whatever tightness you feel there. And then when you exhale, you can deliver that out of your body. This does require some muscular energy within your hand and your arms and even your leg to hold this pose. Try to use as little muscular power as you can. And I know it's hard to keep the grip on the strap with your right hand. So again, just loosen it if you need to. Still keeping that leg straight-ish, right arm straight as well. A few more big breaths here. Now from here, we'll keep the strap in our right hand and just gently open that right leg over to the right side of your mat. Now it doesn't matter how far it goes or how close to the ground it comes. Try to keep your right leg still straightish, right arm still straight. Keep your gaze up towards the ceiling Don't look at your right foot. Just know that it's fine wherever it is. Targeting the hamstrings from a different angle here. Making sure they're all opening up, all getting flexible. And just staying here for about a minute. One more big belly breath in and out. When you're ready, you can ask that right foot to come back towards the center. We'll switch the grip now. So this time your left hand takes the strap. You can relax your right hand now. Then cross the right leg over your body, bringing your foot down towards the left side of your mat. And again, it doesn't matter how far it goes. Try not to check on it. Just keep your focus up towards the ceiling. Breathe into this new sensation within your hamstrings, maybe up within this hip as well. And just holding this again for about a minute. We'll use our next breath in to bring this right foot back towards the center. And now you can release it back down to the mat, removing your strap. Just come to lie on your back for a moment. Really noticing a difference within the two sides of your body here. Now we'll take that to the other side. So this time you're wrapping the strap around your left foot and holding it with your left hand. Again, here leg is as straight as we can without locking the knee. Left arm is straight as well. So adjust your grip until you find the point where they're both straight. And then relax into the pose, relaxing your shoulders, softening your jaw, finding your breath and just breathing into any tightness that you feel within your hamstring. Now's the chance to open it up and to get rid of that tightness. I often get asked how regularly you should practice these stretches or what would be a good routine to follow to get flexible. So I would recommend doing this video maybe once or twice a week. On the other days, you could do the video that I have for shoulder flexibility. And on the other days, you could do the video that I have for hip flexibility. So if you can afford a few days a week, just 15 to 25 minutes doing this yoga practice, you will get flexible within a few weeks. And on that note, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can check out all those other videos, and I have lots more on flexibility. And lots of videos for beginners too. I'll leave a link to those in the description of this video. So let's get back to our body, to our breath. Noticing any thoughts you have and just come back to the body, back onto your yoga mat if you can. And that left hand starting to protest a little bit. We're almost there. From here, you can start to open your left leg over towards the left. We still have the strap in that left hand. Just like before, don't worry about where it is, if your foot reaches the floor or not. Keep your eyes up towards the ceiling and just try your best to settle into this new position. Big belly breaths in and out. Remember, the left leg and left arm are still straight at this point. Let's inhale to lift that foot back up towards center. We'll swap hands. Right hand takes the strap, left hand can relax. Straight arms, straight-ish leg. Bring that left leg over towards the right side of your mat. Tap into these new sensations. Keep breathing. Tight hamstrings are very common, mostly due to our sedentary lifestyles. The nice thing about opening up your hamstrings and gaining some flexibility is that you're also taking a lot of pressure off of your knee joints and off of your hip joints as well. So often when people experience hip or knee pain, opening up the hamstrings can be a solution for that. Let's inhale, bringing that foot back up to center. You can release your strap, send your leg back out long. We'll take a moment here just to relax on our backs. Letting the body settle again. Now I encourage you to stay here for as long as you can, just resting in Shavasana. And that's going to help to create that muscle memory, to let your body soak in all the benefits of the practice, and then to build flexibility, of course. So thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this short hamstring stretch. If you did, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Until next time, namaste.